everyone. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is an online styling service. You pay them a $20 fee. You have a stylist get paired with you. You get paired with a specific warehouse. They curate 5 items to put in your box for $20. I have the styling pass. I pay $49 per year, and I do not pay a styling fee, thank goodness. So I essentially get these boxes for free, and if I don't like anything, I'm not out any money. I just send it back. They free shipping both ways. It's no, point in it. All right, so there's no, fee that I incur is what I'm trying to say. So last month, you might recall that my stitch got lost. So I had to go reach out to Stitch Fix, and it was like literally I missed a whole month from Stitch Fix. And then they sent me a box, right? And it ended up being a different stylist because they had to put me through with a new stylist because it was a rush because my last one was lost. So I got paired with someone named Rajane, who did a fantastic job, and I loved everything in my box. So when I went time to check out, I didn't keep the skirt from that box because it was a little snug, and Stitch Fix did not have a replacement. And what they did is they honored the 25% off me buying 4 items. So I was thrilled, and I was like, I like Jaden. I had nothing wrong with Jaden. But now they said to me, would you like the same stylist? And since I had such good luck with Rajane, I said, fine, keep me with her, okay? So this month, I put in a request, and I said specifically that I was looking for a full outfit for a full day of shopping, including comfortable shoes that I can walk around in all day. And then I also put in some other items. I said, think of jeans. I said casual tops, dangly earrings, and I named a few other things I was looking for, a mustard cardigan or yellow cardigan. So I mentioned a few things that I was looking for. I got the box. So at first I got my preview, and I got a preview last month, and I got a preview this month, and everything was like work blouses and whatnot, and I was just like, yeah, no. So I wrote her back. I said, listen, I'm looking for casual items. I don't go into an office anymore, and I just want jeans, knit tops, etc. So she, I assume, got my feedback. I then get my thing saying it's shipped. And I look at my preview, and I was immediately disappointed. All right, and I'll show you why, all right? So then I'm like, all right, try and keep an open mind. Maybe when she gets my note, when I get her note, I should say, I'll see a different story. So again, I had to reach out to customer service because, again, it was like label created, and it was probably about 4 days with label created and no other tracking information. So I had to reach out to them. I'm like, hi again, I hate to be a pain in the ass. I know you said that my box isn't gonna be here until Wednesday, but here it is, it's Monday, and I still don't even have any tracking on it yet. And it was like last week that it was actually label created. So she's like, okay, never fear. She goes, it's coming to you, just be patient. So I said, okay. Then she sends me later an email saying, okay, I found out what was going on with their fix, and instead of being there by Wednesday, it will be there by Friday. Here's the updated tracking. So I was like, okay, well, now I at least had tracking on the item, but I thought that was rather odd. So I get the thing, and I open up my note, and it's from Rajane again, and there is no reference to what I requested. So let me go through what I've got, all right? So first, she did send these pair of jeans. These are by Just USA. They are the Lola Skinny 5-button fly jean in indigo, size 0. They have a full button fly. It's probably like a medium wash, and they're a very clean jean. I mean, really clean. It's like a solid medium wash. They feel very soft. I like them somewhat. I'm not thrilled with them. I like the button fly. They're only $58. They do have good stretch to them. What I don't like about them, I just don't feel like there's much dimension to them. They're a very solid, clean jean, and I don't have a problem with solid, clean jeans at all. And it's just, I guess it's just the wash. It is just, to me, very plain and boring wash, but I'll give them a try, all right? So I'm not mad that she sent jeans, because in my note I did suggest jeans, okay? All right, next up is another pair of jeans, all right? These are by Blank NYC, and these are distressed. They're a lighter wash. Again, a skinny jean, raw hem, lighter wash, distressing here at the knees, nothing in the back, clean back, okay? And these are very soft and have stretch. And these are the Riley Distressed Skinny Jeans, size 0, and these are $88, all right? Now, I also happen to be wearing a pair of cargo pants from Blank NYC today, also in a 25 or size 0. So it should be interesting way to see that these jeans fit me. These are a mid-rise jean, all right? Next up is this knit top. So again, jeans, no problem. Knit top, no problem. All right, this is by Skyzer Blue. This is the Delilah embroidered neckline, extra small, and it's $54. All right, there's a little bit of embroidery up here, navy blue. The rest of it is not. Other than that, it's just a knit top, you know, and it's really, other than the embroidery up here, it's really nothing exciting. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive, and it's $54. So right here, it's okay. This is my style. I mean, I wouldn't say this is not my style. This is fine. This is something I would wear. It just doesn't excite me, okay? So I'm not mad about that either. All right, next up, in my note, I also asked for dangly earrings. Like I listed specifically, my very first request was very specific, and I wanted a full outfit with comfortable walking shoes. There was no reference to that, but she did give me the dangly earrings. So I did say jeans and then dangly silver earrings. So I did get these, all right? So she did send me these. And these are by Jill Michael in collaboration with Stitch Fix. So I'm assuming that it's a Stitch Fix exclusive. And these are the silver earrings, and they're $30. Not even $28, but they're $30. They're cute. They're hammered metal. They're silver. I like them. $30 worth? Probably not. You know, if it were 5 for 5, yes, for $30. Now this is what I'm a little bit mad about. I specifically said no blouses in my note, and I specifically wanted a full outfit with comfortable walking shoes. She made no reference to that. No comfortable walking shoes in this fix, and I got a blouse. Not only did I get a blouse, but this is very much not my style. Don't get me wrong, I like a good floral. I love florals, but I just do not like this loud floral. To me, this is a bold, loud print, and this is totally not me. Moreover, I'm not a huge fan of button fronts. I never said no button fronts, but I'm just not a fan of button fronts. And combine that with the roll tab sleeve, and again, I do wear roll tab sleeves. I have nothing against it. But this whole top together is so not me. You know what I mean? It's like the three things together, I really dislike this. This would be nothing that I would say I thumbs up. It's nothing that looks like on my profile. And I'm trying to figure out, after I said no blouses, and the fact that I specifically asked her for a full outfit and with shoes for a full day of walking, and there was no mention of that, not even saying, I'm sorry, I couldn't find you any comfortable walking, nothing. So I kind of feel like this was just like a random fix. It was a very generic note. Oh, pair this with this and pair this with that, you know. It was just, to me, very, very random and not personalized to me at all, and I will be putting that in my note. I'm just flabbergasted as to, you know, nothing. It's just very random. So, all right, off my rant. Let me do a try on. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm sorry for being such a Debbie Downer in the beginning, because I just feel as a stylist, I understand you're limited to the inventory that you have and you can't always get what the client wants. If she referenced any of my requests in the note, I would have probably let it go. But it just seemed, other than the earrings, and I don't even, you know, jeans are just so common, I don't necessarily even think that it was planned. She did send jeans, but I specifically sold her also 4-inch shorts, and I told her I was Vigos, you know, obsessed right now. So I didn't get any shorts, nothing I got was Vigos, and I specifically asked for a full outfit with matching with shoes that I can walk around in. So I was expecting some sort of sneaker type of thing. And, you know, all right, if they were completely out of sneakers, by the way, I'm a size 7, which is a very common size, but if they were completely out of sneakers in my size, then she should have said so, but she didn't acknowledge my note whatsoever in her thing, and she says, I hope you like your first Stitch Fix preview. And I'm thinking to myself, I had that last month. So again, I just feel this is very impersonalized, and I'm pretty upset because she did so well last month, and I'm like, this month, I'm just kind of like, what? It just seems so random. All right, so here are the jeans. They're by Blank NYC. They're very comfortable and stretchy. They do look tight because there's a lot of Lycra, but I can assure you I can put my whole hand in them. So that's one of the things. It's more like a jegging. They're like very tight, but I can assure you there's enough room in them for me. I like them. Do I like them for $87? No. If they were Vigos, Vigos are less. Vigos are in the 60s, and I like those a lot better. So I think I'm going to pass on these. I'm just not in love with them. I think I have similar to them. I also have this blue top. I like it. I like it a lot. I just don't need a navy top. And for $54, it's just not wowing me. I like it. I like the way it fits. I think it fits great under the armpits. It's, you know, tight and form-fitting like I like it, but I don't think it's too clingy. Of course, I have to look back at the footage. It might make a liar out of me. But yeah, I do like the jeans. I do like the top. I just don't think I'm in love with either of them. They're okay. They're okay. All right, next up is the next jean and the blouse. Give me a minute. Okay. So now I have the just black jeans on that are button fly. I do like a button fly, and I really don't have any button fly jeans, so I would not mind adding a pair to my wardrobe. These, the wash, I feel there's like no dimension on them. They're just completely solid, which is great if that's your thing. I don't think it's my thing. I'm just not in love with the wash on these. Another thing too, these are really super stretchy, like a jegging, and I'm just kind of like over that look. That doesn't mean I don't want any stretch. I'm just not big into this skin tight, like legging look these days. I'm into the more relaxed look, which is the new style now, and it's not to say I won't wear jeans like this, but that's like my whole closet, and I'm looking for something a little different, something new, and move on to something different. I don't need, you know, all my jeans to be skin tight and stretchy like this. They're super stretchy. I mean, I probably, theoretically I wouldn't, but I probably could go down a size because I could totally see these stretching out and me hiking out. These have a lot of stretch to them. The blouse. I dislike this blouse. This blouse is just, the pattern is just too bold for me. I do like a floral, but I like a little delicate, a little smaller floral. It doesn't have to be ditzy floral, but not big old flowers like these are. I don't like the button down. I don't like to have sleeves like this. I just feel this whole top is rather dated. You know, maybe 6-7 years ago, I would have probably been maybe all over this. I don't know. But right now, I feel that this is aging me. This is not my style right now. So I'm going to be sending this back. I'll give you a close-up of the earrings just so you can see. But I don't love these enough to pay $30 for. All right, I'd much rather buy Knockable or something to that extent and, you know, spend a little bit more, like $38 for the detail and nice earrings that they provide. These are just plain old hammered metal. Nothing that excites me that much. All right, you know, I didn't show you the back of the jeans. Let me show you the back of the jeans. I don't think I ever showed you the back of the Blank NYC. I apologize for that. But here's what the back looks like. Just, you know, no distressing, plain 5-pocket styling, but they're very much a jegging. There's a lot of stretch in these. So if that's your thing, that's great. It's just that I'm moving on and trying to find different styles to add to my closet, not the same thing. Well, sorry for being a Debbie Downer today. I think I'm going to request Jaden back, because even though Jaden didn't always give me a perfect fix, I always knew that Jaden read my notes, and I kind of feel, you know, she hit it lucky last time. This time I feel that she just didn't acknowledge anything that I wrote, and it bothers me because I take the time to write out a note. I expect at least my note to be acknowledged in her comment back to me. All right, take care, and until next time.